Hello, in this video by using the JGrasp, I will create a project, and in the project I will create a class named product. So I have JGrasp open here, and from the file menu, new, from the project, new. So let's create a project first. So here I give a name. Let me just say um, or product project. Okay, and then I click this part, create new directory, because I want all the Java classes to go into this directory. And then folder name, leave everything as it is. Next. Okay, product project. Okay, product project, and then create. Okay, on the left side you see open projects, and product project is here. I have created the project, but there is no Java class yet. So let's create a Java class here. So from the file menu, so not from the project. To create a project, we said project new. But to create a Java class, file, new, and Java. Okay. So now here we say public class product. Okay. Open curly brace and close curly brace. So this way I created a product class. If I save it, save the file from here, and it says the name of the project. Name of the class product. Yes, it must be product, because as you see here, I named my class as product. So the class name and file name must be the same, exactly the same spelling. And add to project, product project. Yes, and then just click save. Okay, so let's see if this compiles. Um, when I compile it, okay, so status is compiling. It says status compiling. Because it takes time for the JGrasp to compile, so because of the time it takes, for the future videos, you may see me using the Eclipse. I use the Eclipse because it compiles faster. Okay, so it compiled. So this product class, even if there is nothing in the body, still it is a valid. So it compiles, but it is useless. It doesn't have anything. So in a product, in a class, basically we have three things. I can classify. Usually I classify them in three ways. First of them, so let me put them in the comment. Instance variables. Okay, and then the second category, constructors. And the third category, methods. Okay, so in a Java class, you may not have any of them, or you may have all of them, or just one of them, two of them, whatever. So for the instance variables, okay, so for the product, let's say a product has, so here we just define what a product is. So in here we say a product has a name, product name, and also a product has the price. Okay, so we say, okay, so there is also public and private. So when you say private, that means the other classes doesn't have direct access to these variables, and we must keep it for the security purpose. We will always use the instance variables private. So I say private, and then what data type it is. So product name. So product name could be apple, banana, whatever. So here we say it is a string, and then product name. Let me say just name. Okay, and semicolon. Okay, so now I have the name here. So um, now also we need to have we need to test this. So product and then name, it doesn't have any name here. So here I say we need to have a way to access to this one from the other classes, because it is private. The other classes doesn't have direct access to this one. So in the methods we will have one mutator and one accessor method. So let me write the mutator method first. So I say mutator method, and also uh, most of the time I call it getter. Okay, so getter method, and also I'm sorry, not getter, setter. So you change the value of name. Okay, so here we make it public, so the other classes have direct access to these methods. And so uh, by convention, we start the setter methods with set. You don't have to do it, but it is a naming convention. So set name. Okay, and then inside of the parentheses we must pass a parameter. The parameter also should be a string data type, and here let me just say parameter name. Okay, so I start with p, meaning this is the parameter name. Okay, and open curly brace, close curly brace. Okay, so in here I say name, which is the instance variable name. So instance variable name is p name. So whatever comes as the input to this method, I assign it to name. Okay, so this is the setter method. Also, let's write getter method. It is also public, and get name. And for the get name, we don't pass any parameter because our goal is to get the name from an object. So here I say open curly brace, close curly brace. So this returns the name of the product. So here I say return keyword. It returns name, semicolon. Okay. So we have set name, get name, and also let me put this. Okay. So here I say getter method, or it is also called accessor method. Okay, so we have setter, getter, and one instance variable, and then product. So in the next video we will write another method. I'm sorry, we will write another class to test this one. So let's see if this compiles. Okay, so it is compiling. So that's all for in this video. See you at the next video. Have a nice day.